Good day, everyone. If your phone is not ringing while incoming calls, especially in Android phone, you can fix it by only one simple step. So go to the settings. You can search or simply go to the settings right here and you will find it. You will click on that and we will scroll down and there you will find sound and vibration. If you're unable to find sound, you can search that setting. Like you just type sound and you will find the setting right there. So you will find the vibration and everything, phone ringtone like this. And from here, I'll go back and I'll click on this sound and vibration. And then you need to check the ring mode. Is it in vibration or silent mode? And then scroll down, check the notification, check the ringtone which is there. All right. And make sure the media volume, the ring volume should be at the maximum or whatever the level you have. And this is how you can fix if incoming calls, if phone is not ringing while incoming calls. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.